Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving for GRE math problems out of this book here, the GRE Official Guide, the 4th edition, 2025. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Today is our lesson number 29 and we are on page number 228. On page number 228 you will see two problems, problem 1 and 2. Let's look at problem number 1. Problem number 1 says we are told that machine R makes X units in 30 minutes. We are further told that machine S makes same X units in 48 minutes as opposed to 30 minutes. And what we are being asked to compare is this. In column A, we have units made by R in 3 hours. And in column B, we have units made by S in 4 hours. Go ahead, pause the video, do it yourself. I insist that you pause the video and do it yourself, try it yourself first, and then we'll compare your work against the work that you and I will do together. I'll give you a second to be able to pause and unpause the video. Let's see what we can do. The first part is very straightforward because it's half an hour. It's very straightforward. We are told that it makes X units in 30 minutes. X in 30 minutes. We're talking about machine R right there. We are not interested in 30 minutes. We want to find out how many it can make in 3 hours. So 3 hours, we just convert it into 3 hours multiplied by 6. Now you will have 180 minutes. And that's your 3 hours, and it will make 6x units. So we have the answer. The answer to the first column is 6x. That's how many units the machine R will end up making in 3 hours. The tricky part is this one. Here, it'll be quicker, simpler, easier, more efficient to just set it up as a ratio problem, as a proportion problem rather, instead of trying to do something else. Just set it up as a minute and units. And we know that in 48 minutes, it makes X units. Question is, how many units does it make? Let's call it Y. This is what we want to find out. We want to find out Y in terms of X. How many units will it make in 4 hours? 4 hours is 4 times 60 minutes because we on the top we have minutes here. Just solve for Y. Y is simply bring this down, bring that there. So we'll have 4 times 60 times X, and then Y goes there, 48 comes down, there you go. Divide top and bottom by 12. That becomes a 5, that becomes a 4. That's actually very straightforward. 4 drops. So there you go. It's only going to make 5x units. In the time that we have, in 4 hours, the machine S is only going to make 5x units. 5 times x is going to make 5x units, whereas this machine can make 6x units, and therefore the answer is A. I'll see you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.